guys, welcome back to another video. This video I am so excited for you guys to see. If you read the title, you already know what it is. It is my beauty room. Oh my goodness, I have my own beauty room. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys. So if you guys do want to see my beauty room and get the full tour, make sure to continue watching the video. Okay guys, so I am standing here in my unpainted, unfinished beauty room. I'm about to start working on it, you guys. You are gonna be here along with the journey. Yeah, I'm so excited. I literally just can't wait to finish this first and then be able to just have my own beauty room. Alright guys, and there we have it. This is my vanity all complete. I will show you guys more in detail of what it looks like. Hey guys, it's Beth. This is just an overview of the entire room right before we get straight into the tour. If you guys like the room, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up if you think it's cute. Okay you guys, so starting off the first piece of my beauty room, as soon as you walk in, you see these shelving right here, and you actually see something down here, and you guys, I'm gonna vlog it for you. But there's something special for Louis down here. But anyways, yeah, so I just put the 4 shelves up. I had some help. And you guys, I just put my purses right here just for the fun of it, because I feel like it's not a beauty room if you don't have like stuff on display. I bought this for Louis at IKEA, and I don't know why he's not on it, but he's right next to it. It's a mini couch for like dogs, and you can flip it forward and back. So let me show you what it looks like. Lou! So you can kind of do that with it. It's pretty cute. They also have covers for it, which I like the black. Do you like your couch? Yes? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Okay guys, moving on. Now for the thing most obvious, which you guys obviously noticed like as soon as the video started, I have this backdrop right behind me, and so I bought this because I want to use it for like if I do beauty videos or if I do outfit try-ons, maybe coming soon. But yeah, I bought this because I thought it'd be super cute to like have this as like the background for the videos. But yeah, I got it from Camera Exchange, and then I just had this lamp right here already. I think I got it from Target. It's gold, it has marble. This is like, I feel like this backdrop makes the room. And stay tuned, you guys. If you follow along with me throughout my journey, you might see this background change quite a bit. Okay, you guys, so this is the whole other side of the room. Here's a better look of the lamp down here. I also have a cute, just little sitting chair if anyone else is here, or if they're watching me film a video, they can chill right here. Moving on to this side, these by far have to be the like most creative customized piece in the room. I had the idea of just writing like kind of like Vogue cute style lettering just to incorporate the channel and put you guys here, a part of my room. And also this is a piece of fan work that someone made. Her signature is right down here, but I'll put her link somewhere around here. I'm gonna go ahead and vlog like this part of the desk just because it is kind of low and I can't really get all of it in there. But I got this little side table piece from IKEA, and it literally goes so perfectly with the frames because I also got those at IKEA, so that it matches perfectly. And I just went ahead and decorated them with things that mean stuff to me. So I actually got this from my mom, and I think she bought it at Ross, but I also got this at Ross, and it says be still and know that I am God, because at the end of the day we always have to give glory to God, and because he provides us with everything, you guys. And I also got this piece at Ross, so basically I just went to Ross. I got this for my birthday. I believe it was like my 18th birthday. It's kind of just like a little tiara that my parents gave me. I just got the plant and the vase from IKEA. I also got these from IKEA. And they're little candles, and the candles smell so good. If you guys have never smelled IKEA's candles, they actually smell really good. Like, they compare to Bath & Body, in my opinion. But moving on, I also got this little... I actually don't even know what it's called. It's from Beauty and the Beast, and Becca got it for me. I would want to say like 2 years ago almost. And it plays the little theme song kind of thing. But we're not going to play it because we don't want to get copyrighted. So we're gonna move straight along to just my jewelry. So I put this here because it's kind of like, how do you say it? Accessible jewelry, yeah. Accessible jewelry that I can just go ahead and grab while I'm doing my makeup. This is my middle name if you guys didn't know. So my name is Bethany Faith Sanchez Vega. And lastly, down here in the table, we have my sunnies. We have my sunglasses right here. And yeah, I'll just give you a quick overview. And right before I show you my vanity, you guys are gonna love my vanity. I just wanted to show you this light that I got from IKEA as well. Both pieces from IKEA. The light bulb already came with like the house, and I just like replaced it. You guys know what I mean. But anyways, I installed that thing right here all by myself. I did it all by myself. Like, I did the electrical, the wiring. I am so proud of myself for doing this because I didn't even think I could do this, honestly. But anyways, let's go to the most important part, which is my favorite part of the room, the makeup vanity. Okay guys, so this is my vanity. I absolutely love it. It is by far my most favorite part of the room, just because I sit down here every day, do my makeup. I get to use this awesome mirror from Impressions Vanity, which is also dimmable, you guys. It literally goes, it's the best thing ever. So that's the lighting and the vanity. And I also have, so I bought this from Impressions Vanity, but I bought these 3 pieces from IKEA. And if you guys don't know, these are the Alex drawers, and then the countertop that it comes with, I'm not sure the name on this. But yeah, I mean, overall this is my vanity, and maybe one day I will show you guys all my makeup that's inside of these things. But for right now, there's only like 3 or 4 that actually have makeup in it. And just to finish off the video, this black stool down here, I believe my mom got it from Ross. She actually gave this to me while I was living with her, so I didn't have to buy that as well. But anyways, you guys, that is the full finished tour of my beauty room. Eventually, it's gonna like change up quite a bit, but for the most part, I am absolutely in love with it. I can't even believe that I like had the opportunity to do this, to paint the walls, to create my own space, to film videos for you guys, and I'm so excited to create content for y'all. And yeah, I just can't wait to start this journey. So if you guys did enjoy this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also leave me a comment down below what was your favorite part, or if you have any suggestions of what I should do to the room. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!